Hey guys, Bill from Topaz, hope you're doing well. Welcome back to the channel. We're back over in our Bristol site where I believe the last time that I released a Bristol video, you really enjoyed it. So we've decided to do another one, and what better to do one with Bristol? I mean, it's the legendary car, and I used to see this car when I was younger, and I used to look at it and go, wow, look at that, look at the exhaust, the flames would be coming out. Most of them would be tuned. Huge spoilers. So I'm talking about the Ford Escort RS Cosworth, otherwise known as the whale tail. If you look at the whale tail, I'll put a little picture up there, you can see, yes, it looks like the tail of a whale. Anyway, so it's one of those cars that actually is in very good condition. It came to our unit to get basically a freshen up. The customer wanted to look like new again. It's only done 40,000 miles and it's 30 years old. So you can imagine it's a very, very, very well looked after car. It's in flat red, so meaning, you know, no metallic, straight red. The color will look amazing. And also, to be honest, after a while, with the red specifically, you do get a bit of oxidization. So it does look a bit blander. So it's good to maintain that and to make it look as good as possible. So anyway, a lot of stuff to see in this video, and I'll catch you right at the end. And there you have it, guys. That was a video of the car and what we did to it. For our young audience, some of you may not know this, I'll give you a bit more sort of detail about the Escort Cosworth and the meaning behind why it's so important. Actually, now the values are going up substantially, so that's why you're seeing it now on our channel, and some of our customers are bringing these cars and saying, do you know what, let's look after them and get them maintained so that they keep the value going up. It's a valuable item right now. I think they actually, I've seen some £100,000 plus, so it's a lot of money. It's a lot of money for that car, but it is what it is, and it's got a lot of history. So the car essentially was homologated based on a World Rally Championship car, and when it came out in the early 90s, the performance was so high, it actually did 0 to 60 in 6 seconds. I mean, that doesn't sound like it's fast now. I think your normal sedan car or your normal SUV will do that, but back then that was head-to-head with the Ferraris at the time. So the 328 at the time was essentially, I believe, it was 6 seconds too. So from a car, from a performance perspective, it was right up there. And something else that you probably didn't know about this car, it was designed by a chap called Frank Stephenson. And Frank essentially designed the McLaren P1 and the Maserati MC12. So he's got a bit of knowledge on how to design cars. So that's why, again, the value, it helps push up the value as well when you have someone like that who's designed it. And that's basically with regards to the car. But again, that's one of the main reasons why we're getting this. And I thought we'd show it to you because it's a cool car. Now let's talk a bit about what we did to the car. So we did a level 2 detail with 2 stages of paint correction. We wanted to make sure that the paintwork is really, really good, Nick. I mean, for the customers going to keep it for many, many years ahead. So also we wanted to make sure that it's protected. So we essentially protected the lot of it. So the exhaust, the wheels, even the brake calipers got some loving, the windows and paintwork. And also the interior was also coated with nano coating. So we had all the ceramics on the exterior, interior with nano coating and ceramics wherever possible on hard surfaces. Now the car is essentially ready to be either driven or stored. So again, it was a very cool project and I hope you enjoyed this one. And if you did, please make sure to like, share and subscribe. Give me a big thumbs up at the bottom and write down your comments below. Do you prefer this or do you prefer the Sierra? Let me know. And before I leave you, make sure to check out Topaz Bristol at Topaz Bristol on Instagram. Anyway, I'll catch you on the next one. Guys, don't forget our car care range is now available for you to purchase in our Topaz store, which I'm going to link up here. These are the products that we use here in our studios and across the world, from cloths to all the maintenance needs that you need. I'm going to be giving you also a 10% discount because you're watching here and you supported us all the way through this by using the code TOPAZ10 on checkout. Make sure you enjoy them and let me know what you think. Take care.